At UConn, we have so much to offer. We have our signature MBA, we have 6 specialized masters in things like analytics, accounting, and supply chain, and many other topics. We also have 15 certificate programs. So if you just want to take a little chunk of education, we have offerings for that too. Our programs are really flexible. We have classes that happen right here in the classroom. We have classes that are fully online, and we have hybrid classes that kind of blend the best of both worlds. Outside of the coursework, which will obviously help you advance your career, we have so many opportunities to just keep building your career profile. We do workshops, guest speakers, conference appearances. You're really bringing the best of the classroom experience and all of this additional experiential learning with you. Right now, everybody's talking about AI. That's the skill that's so in demand. And our classes are being updated so that you are learning AI skills in the classroom along with those other core concepts that you're expected to be learning. So you'll get a really strong applied hands-on learning of not just the core fundamentals, but also these cutting-edge technologies that companies want. If you're on the fence about applying, I would say just do it. Our programs are here and ready for you to learn. You'll be joining an amazing network of current students and over 50,000 UConn Business alumni. So get that application in, take that next step to join us in the next semester.